Let's begin a relaxing, full-body yoga session with gentle stretches designed to increase flexibility, improve posture, and ease tension.
Garland pose opens your hips, strengthens your ankles, and helps improve natural mobility in the lower body. Butterfly pose opens the hips, improves flexibility, and gently relieves tightness from sitting for long periods. Seated forward bend gently stretches your spine and hamstrings while helping calm your mind and reduce stress. Reverse plank strengthens your arms, shoulders, and core while opening the chest and stretching the front body. Camel pose stretches the front of your body, improves spinal mobility, and helps open your chest and shoulders. Cobra pose strengthens your back, opens your chest, and helps improve posture while increasing spinal flexibility. Half bow pose strengthens your back, opens your chest, and improves flexibility. Then gently change sides. Bow pose strengthens your back, opens your chest, and improves flexibility throughout the entire front of your body. This gentle forward fold stretches your hamstrings, eases lower back tension, and helps improve flexibility with regular practice. One-legged downward dog builds balance, strengthens your core, and stretches your hips and hamstrings. Repeat on the other side.
Thank you for joining me today. Keep moving, keep breathing, and keep taking time for yourself. I'll see you in the next yoga session.